What's up guys, I'm back and I got new Jeep parts in. It was just my birthday. Check out this cool present that I got hanging on the wall. I really suck at this consistency thing of putting up videos on like a weekly basis or whatever, but I have a real life and I have like 7 subscribers right now, so it's not my biggest word in the world. But yeah, I got a package outside. There's my wife coming in. Got a package outside, let's open it up and throw it on the Jeep. Alright, let's see what we got here. Get that out of there. It's a Rugged Ridge Eclipse sunshade. So it's supposed to be for a 2-door, and I'm pretty sure it is. Yep, 2-door. So yeah, let's open this thing up. I got this as compared to a spider shade or anything like that because it was half the price, and I didn't want the, so on like the rugged, or on the spider shade one, it's like a fastback, so it, or not all the way down, but it like curves over the back of the roll cage a little bit, and I don't know which way I'm gonna go with the roll cage, so this just, I'll go back to the Jeep, but this just stops right behind where the rear seat would be. So let's open this up. So I got it out of the box and it came in this bag. It's kind of like the same mesh material that the top is made out of, but it has a whole bunch of these bungees and everything to attach it, and like these plastic things. There you go. These plastic things that is just gonna wrap around the roll bars, and then like be tied across the top. So let me back the Jeep out, flip it around. My wife's gonna help me take off the hardtop, and we're gonna put this thing on. And then we're gonna go for a drive and see how it drives down the road. So let's do that. So first things first is we have to take off the hardtop, and to do that we're going to use a T40 Torx bit. So now that we have the 6 T40 Torx bit, or Torx bolts out of the hardtop, we're going to set the camera down and my wife and I are going to take off the hardtop. That was the most unorthodox way we've ever done that before, but it worked, and yeah, we're just gonna slide it back in that little pocket that we have in our garage and throw this new top on. Alright, so the first step is, if you have a hard top, obviously take the freon panels off and take the whole thing off. If you have a soft top, tilt it all the way back so it's out of your way. And then we just kind of slid it over our soundbar. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these Velcro straps, which I haven't even undone yet. Take the Velcro straps and you're going to put them through each footman loop, right here, and right here. So after you get those Velcro straps put in the footman loop, you're going to come to the rear of the Jeep and take these 2 back bungees and kind of like plastic tabs, and you're just going to run it around and onto itself, and it's going to hold it there. You're going to go to the other side and do the exact same thing. We came to the other side, I'm just going to do the exact same thing. Make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, so after you do the 2 back straps, you're going to come back up front to the center footman loop, and you'll notice that there are 2 straps right here. So one of the straps, the one on the right, is going to be for 07 to 09 models, because this footman loop is more centered on the Jeep, and then this will be for 2010 and up. So we'll just route that through, pull it tight and Velcro it on, and then all of these bungee hooks are going to hook to the footman loop itself. Alright, so after you complete the 3 footman loops and the bungees to hold it tight up front. You're just gonna go around the Jeep and go around the roll cage. Make sure you're not going around any plastic door surrounds or anything like that. You're gonna go around the roll cage and just bungee everything together. So now that we have the sunshade completely installed, you just want to come back up to the front and ensure these Velcro straps are nice and tight. You want to tighten that one up a bit. There you go. And that is the entire sunshade. Let's take it for a drive and see how it sounds. Luckily, we live in Southern California, so I'm not too worried about rain year round, but let's
as the clouds look dark over there.
Yeah. Let's fire it up and see how good this thing does.
Wow, I said the clouds look dark, and on camera it's super blue.
Wow. It's actually kind of nice. It's like you still get sunshine, but it's
Shady?
yeah, shady.
I wonder why they call it a shade top.
Yeah, right?
Or shade cover.
So after driving around for a little bit, I actually really like it. Granted, it was cloudy today, but it blocked out most of the sun. You still got some coming in, but it wasn't like having no top at all, obviously. But yeah, I like it. The Rugged Ridge one was about $60. You can find it on, I bought mine on Northridge, but you can get them, I'm sure, a lot of other places. But it's a good investment. I would recommend it. And we'll see how it holds up against the actual elements when we go off-road with it. So I think these are the biggest worry that I have, these plastic bits, but I think it'll be alright. So, well, that was it, guys. That was the installation and kind of like first test of the Rugged Ridge sunshade. I like it. I would definitely recommend it. But stay tuned. Next week I'm going to have a video on, I got a Poison Spider hood louver coming on Tuesday. So we're going to chop this up. I got to fix this right here. It's kind of hard to see since it's getting dark, but here, let me turn the light on. Got to fix this right here. Got some clear coat coming off, so I'm going to do that with the hood louver as well. And I'm going to do an install video on that as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See y'all in the next one.